So it's actually later in the day, it's the afternoon, but I'm going to make an iced coffee now because I was waiting many hours for the ice to freeze. I can see underneath there's still a bit of water, but I just really want to make it now, and I'm just gonna risk it and pop some of them out. So I had to wash this out because there was like old ice cream frozen to it in the freezer, and none of us have actually been using this for like years. So yeah, I had to wash it out and get it all ready to use it again for the first time. So yeah, I've just really been craving iced coffee. So got my mug here, and yeah, I'm gonna film this all in one shot because of not being able to download footage from my phone anymore. If I do want to edit it like I did in the past, I have to like upload it to my Facebook account and then download it to my computer. But to make things easier, I'm just gonna film this all in one shot. But yeah, I have a lot of other videos coming up for those ones, like some clothing and stuff, I will be downloading them to Facebook and editing them properly. But yeah, just for this coffee video, I'm taking it all in one shot. So I'm purposely using leftover decaf coffee from yesterday because I'm making iced coffee, so I want it to be cold. Okay, I hope that's enough room for the ice. And yeah, so I've got my cream here, the Mateo sugar-free syrups, ice. I don't know what order I'm supposed to put it in. So let's just start with the sugar-free syrup. I would like to try some other brands eventually. We did finish off the other bottle. Just put 5 pumps in. Yeah, I definitely want to try some other brands down the road. If you guys know any good brands on Amazon, you can let me know. Okay, let's pop some of these out. Okay, this one doesn't have. Okay. Yeah, there's still a tiny bit of water. Okay, that filled it. I'm gonna have to dump some of this out because it's filling it up really high. I should have put less coffee in. But yeah, I wanted quite a bit of ice. Ooh, let's put this. Okay, I didn't count how many I put in. But yeah, it's like right to the top, so I'm gonna quickly dump some of this out. Okay, yeah, it's much, much lower now. It's like about that much lower. So there's a bit of cream left in this one that I'm going to finish off first, so... That one's done. I just want to show you guys how it looks so far. Doesn't it look so appealing? Okay, let's open up the second cream. Purposely wanted a lot of cream since it's an iced coffee. Okay, let's stir it up. Wow. Some of the ice is actually already like melting a bit, so it's good I put a lot. I wonder if I can squeeze one more. Because I want the true icy experience. Okay. My hands are a bit wet, but that's okay. I can dry my phone up after. So this is how it looks now. I might have to add some more syrup because of dumping a lot of it out to make room for the cream. Tastes very good. I'm debating if I should add one more pump of syrup. This would taste good with like a tiny bit of like chocolate drizzle or something. I think I'm just going to leave it like this. I don't want to overdo it on the syrup, even though it's 0 calories. This is probably about 3 pumps of syrup from dumping some of it out. It's weird. It's like the syrup is stronger when you have it cold. Yeah, so that is my iced coffee. Thanks so much for watching. And I do have a coffee insulated thermos thing coming online. I think it's going to be over a week till it comes, but I would like to try to make iced coffee in that when it comes because those actually keep things cold for long. But in the meantime, I just wanted to practice. This is the first time in my life I've ever made iced coffee before, so yeah. Thanks so much for watching.